Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm making a quick video about iOS, and I'm going to show you how to add folders to your dock. So, as you know, you can't just drag and drop apps to make folders. So what you can do is make a folder. Well, let's just make photos in Shazam. You can make a folder and then take your folder and drag it onto the dock. And now you have a folder in your dock. It's really quick, really simple. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to start making videos again. I know it's been a while, but thanks. Bye.